And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somewhere. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. And sooner or later it's over. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. Bleed just to
Sa walong bilyong nakasilong, ikaw ang aking nakasalubong, ating awit.
Love, I love you. Wala akong ibang lalaki na gustong makasama kundi ikaw lamang sa aking pagtanda. First year, second sem enrollment natin, November 16, 2018, 7 years ago. Dati ang goal ko lang is makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at makatulong kila mama at papa. Pero iba si Lord. Iniba niya yung plano. Binigay ka niya sa akin dahil isa ka sa makakatulong sa akin para ma-achieve ko yung goal ko sa buhay.
Hi classmate, Prima, Love. The first time na nakita kita, yung enrollment sa campus, mga boy cut, parang boys, ang lakas ng dating. Parang kapag biniro mo, mananapak. Doon ako napatanong sa sarili ko ng, what if maging girlfriend ko to? Kahit di pa kita kilala nun. Then, di ko akalain na magiging totoo yun. Sabi nga nila, be careful what you wish for. Pero yun ang wish na hindi ko pinagsisisihan. From first year, second sem, hanggang gumraduate tayo, magkatrabaho, tayo ang magkasama, ang mag-best friend. May mga away tayo at hindi pagkakaintindihan. Pero lahat yon nalampasan natin at napagtagumpayan. Sa mga panahon na yon, di ka nagsawa na suportahan ako. Lagi kang naniniwala sa akin na kaya ko. Ikaw ang totoong dahilan kung bakit naabot ko ang mga bagay na meron ako ngayon.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine. He knows you are my power when I'm feeling weak and sick. He knows you are my harbor that is just within arm's reach. He knows us even better than we ever know ourselves.
Sa ating susunod na kabanata, pinapangako ko na masaalagaan kita, masiintindihin kita, at higit sa lahat, mas mamahalin kita. To end this vow, my classmate, my prima, love, my heart belongs to you, now and forever.
With you, my love, I've learned that love is not just a feeling. It's a choice and commitment. Today, I choose to love you, not just for who are you today, but for all that you will become. I promise to be your anchor in times of uncertainty, your shelter in the midst of life's storm, and your constant source of love and comfort. Today, I not only marry you, I also marry your dreams, ambitions, and your beautiful soul. And maging center natin si Lord sa ating relationship. I love you, love. Thank you, Lord.
We have made some mistakes, but He's there to tidy up our mess. We are blessed by His embrace. We'll serve together through His grace. And I know, and you know, that He knows, and He shows that with faith and love, we stand the blast. 'Cause He knows that only you can see me through. And because of this, I give you my I do.
Kung kalawakan man ang pagitan, tadhana lamang ay ating sundan. Dahan-dahan sa dulo'y ating tagpuan. Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libon-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawaring ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita, di na ka lang darating. Di ka na kun wari akin. Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libon-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawaring ikaw para sa'kin. Sa libon-libong mga bituin, di ko mawaring ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita, kung kalawakan man ang pagitan, tadhana lamang ay ating sundan. Dahan-dahan sa dulo'y ating tagpuan.